my neighborhood with dignity, integrity, and pride.
I will encourage other points of view even when they differ from my own.
I will encourage other points of view even if they differ from my own.
I will respect, value, and consider everyone's opinion.
I will respect and value and consider everyone's opinions.
I will find the good in my neighborhood and praise it and promote it.
I will find the good in my neighborhood and praise it and promote it.
To my neighbors and to my neighborhood throughout the city of Los Angeles,
To my neighbors and my neighborhood throughout the city of Los Angeles,
I pledge to do this to the best of my ability.
I pledge to do this to the best of my ability.
And now I will ask each one of you to voice your agreement to this pledge. Gary Pearl.
I will.
Mark Mack.
I will.
Kenya Lee.
I will.
Brennan Lawson.
I will.
Jim Fitzgerald.
I will.
Joseph Garcia.
I will.
Richard Stanger.
I will.
Sarah Mahir.
I do and I will.
Christopher Lee.
I do and amen.
Jason Sugars.
As always, ever.
Fran Solomon.
I do.
Yolanda Gonzalez.
For 25 years I have and will.
Amen. Erica Moore.
I 1,000,000,000%.
Allie Bean is not here, but Allie Bean. She will. Lisa Redmond.
Amen and I will.
Clark Brown.
Yes.
Steve Bradbury.
I will.
Helen Fallon.
I do.
Nico Ruderman.
I will.
Tima Bell.
I will.
And Brian Averill.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Amen to you all. You're now sworn in. Thank you.